Hello everyone. Hello students. How are you today? Hoping you all in a good conditions. Okay, today we'll start the lesson about the parallel and perpendicular lines. It's the math for grade 9, extended math. Okay, let's
We'll
start.
continue the lesson. Okay, so this is for and extend. Yeah.
Yesterday, I had my math first lesson class,
Yeah.
and we went through. It was going very fast. We went through a chapter a day.
Oh, yeah. Chapter. So.
We did the Unit 1, Lesson 1, which was distance, midpoint, and slope. We covered the whole thing, and now we just have to do the
Lesson.
homework.
Oh, okay. So you have homework. Okay. So, which homework do you have?
The Lesson 1 homework, which says we have to do the chapters from textbook.
Textbook page 104 to 109. So lesson 1, yeah.
Yeah, that. I'll do that later because I think I've already done it in the class.
Okay. So now we move to lesson 2 and lesson 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We will move to the lesson 2. So this is page 113. Okay, so now we move to the new chapter. So this is called parallel and perpendicular. Yeah. So if you see from the book, so if this is the green and the purple one, so this is we call parallel because they have the equal gradient. Yeah. So the gradient are equal. So in this case, the gradient is rise over run. So this is rise is 3, run is 1, yeah, so 3 over 1. So this green line has a gradient equal to 3, and the purple one has the gradient equal to 3, yeah. So they are parallel, so they have equal gradient. And the other case, we also have a perpendicular. So the perpendicular line, so it means they will be intersect in one line, but the gradient would be negative reciprocal. So if the gradient of the green one is equal to 3 over 2, so the purple one, which is perpendicular, it will be negative reciprocal equal to minus 2 over 3. Yeah. So in this case, if the line are perpendicular, then their gradients are negative reciprocal. Yeah. So negative reciprocal is the perpendicular. Okay, so this is the example. So find the gradient of the line which is perpendicular to a line. So with gradient A 2 over 7, so we have to make it negative reciprocal. So we reverse. So it will become negative 7 over 2, yeah. And B, so this is minus 5. Okay, so we have to make it to negative reciprocal. So it will become 1 over 5. Okay. Is there any question for perpendicular and parallel line?
No.
Okay. Now, okay, I will give you example. Okay, this is, we have to do exercise 60. Okay, so maybe, okay, yeah. Okay, this is number 1AG, yeah. Okay. I think I will discuss everything. So basically, okay. So let's see if we have. So this is parallel and perpendicular line. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So this is number one. Okay, I will give you example. Okay, so this is find the gradient of all lines perpendicular to a line with gradient of 1 over 2. Yeah. So perpendicular, it means we have a negative reciprocal. Yeah. So basically, uh, we have to find the negative of reciprocal of 1 over 2. Yeah. So this is will be minus 2. So this is will be minus 5 over 2. This is negative 1 over 3. This is minus 1 over 7. So this is will be 5 over 2. So this is will be 2 over 7. This one we have to make it into fraction. So this is negative 4 over 3, or so 3 over 4. This is will be 1. Yeah. Okay. Do you have any question for number 1?
No.
Okay. And number 2. Okay. So number 2. So we have to find which of the lines are perpendicular. Yeah, perpendicular, it means m1 times m2 equal to minus 1. So we have to find the product of the gradient, which is equal to minus 1. So in this case, this is no, right? So this is also no, right? This is negative 25. This is 3 over 7 and negative 7 over 3. Okay, so this is negative 1. Yeah, so this is perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. Okay, this one no, because this is negative 5. This is yes. This is negative 1. This is no. This is equal to 1. This is no. This is equal to oh yes, yeah. So this is equal to minus 1. Yeah. So the perpendicular line is equal to minus 1. Okay. Do you have any question for number 2?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Okay. And number 3. So this is we have to find the gradient of each side of the hexagon. Yeah. So basically, we have to find each of the side. So this is M FA. Okay, so we have to find one by one. So M FA, which is equal to, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2, right? So 5, okay, the gradient formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yeah, so this is we call rise over run. Yeah, so if you have this is will be going up, so this one, so the gradient will be positive. Yeah, but if however if they are going down, so like this, so the gradient should be negative. Yeah, so you could check your answer correct or not by see the behavior of the line. If they are going up, so the gradient will be positive. If they are going down or decreasing, so the gradient will be negative. Okay, in this case, the gradient is going up. Yeah, it should be positive. Okay, so this is 5 plus 1. Okay, over 1 plus 2. Yeah, so this is 2. Okay, so that's 2. So this is gradient is equal to, okay, this is, okay, and then we move to the other side. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Yeah, okay, we have to find m ab. Yeah, so this is y2 minus y1, 8 minus 5 over 6 minus 1. So this is 3 over 3 over 5. Yeah, so this is 3 over 5. Okay, So this is going up. Okay, correct. And then I delete again. Okay, and then I want to find the gradient of BC. Yeah. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so we have to find MBC equal to 0 minus 8 over 10 minus 6. Yeah, so this is will become minus 8 over 4. So in this case is the gradient will be negative 2. Okay, so this is the gradient is 3 over 5. Okay, and this is gradient is negative 2. Okay, so this is going down. Yeah, so the answer is correct. Okay, and then CD. So CD is going also. Oh, this is going up. Yeah, because this is C. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is going down or up.
Yeah, it's going down because C to D, right?
It's going up. Yeah, because we see okay like this one this way. So if going down,
but A, B, C, so D goes down.
This is going up. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, okay, let's see the coefficient. It should be positive. Let's see, x1, y1, x2, y2. So this is minus 9 minus 0 over x2 8 minus 10 minus 9 over negative 2. Yeah, this is going up because we don't see the from C to D, so we see from the behavior. So this is this way. If this is going down, it should be that way, not this way.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So okay, I think yeah, it's really hard to see. Yeah, I mean this is really hard to see for going up or down. So if it's hard, you could use calculation. Yeah. So this is 4.5. Okay, this is going down. Yeah. So this it should be going down. Okay, let's see. Okay, I will delete this. This is x1. Oh, it's okay for you if you put D as x1 y1 or E as x1 y1. So they don't they don't matter. Yeah. So if you put, let's say this is x1 y1 or either E as x1 y1, the answer will be the same. Yeah. So
Okay.
So this is x2 y2. Okay, so y2 minus y1 minus 5 plus 9 over 0 minus 8. Yeah, so this is 4 over minus 8. Yeah, so this is negative 1 over 2. Yeah, so correct. So this is will be going down. Okay, and the last one is FDE. Okay, so FDE. So this is E, F. Yeah, or if you see this is going down. Yeah, still going down. Let's see. The gradient will be y2 minus y1, so minus 1 minus 1 plus 5 over minus 2 minus 0. Yeah, this is 4 over minus 2. Oh, okay, the gradient will be negative 2. Okay, so we already find the gradient for each side of the hexagon. Okay, and now we have to find which sides are parallel. So the parallel should be equal. Okay, if you see, okay, I will use the red one for parallel. So this is parallel. Okay, we have to find the side which has the same gradient. So this is will be this one and also this one. Yeah. Okay, so the answer will be M. This is MED. Yeah, so gradient of ED. Okay, so this is gradient of ED equal to gradient to EF. Sorry, this is EF equal to gradient of BC. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so because this is the same gradient. Yeah, so this is the same gradient. Okay, and the second one. We have to find, okay, I will use the blue one. So we have to find which line are perpendicular, right? So, okay, so for perpendicular, we have to find the negative reciprocal. Okay, so this is negative 1 over 2 should be with 2. Okay, so this way, oh sorry, this one and this one. So this also perpendicular. And we don't have any multiplication which equal to -1. Yeah. So the answer only FA and ED. Yeah. So 9/2, and yeah, so we don't have any perpendicular line. So this is will be M FA equal to M ED. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Is there any question?
No.
Okay, so I will give you this paper. So, okay, you don't have to, let's say, write if you don't have time. So it's okay. I will give you this as a receipt as a PDF for you to see again. Yeah. Okay, because I want to move to the other chapter. Yeah. Okay, so I will. Let's try to use the book. Okay, so okay, let's see which question that. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 already. Okay, this is 5, 6, 7, 10. Yeah. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 10. I think I will do everything. Yeah, because this is only. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I will do all the chapter. For your homework, you could see which question you will do. Yeah. Okay, so this
Okay.
is just for practice. So we will do everything. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay. So we move to the next question. Okay. Sorry. This. Yeah. Okay. Number 4. So we have to find the value of the k. Yeah. So k. Okay. So this k is perpendicular from the orange one. Yeah, so basically we have to find the gradient of this line. Okay, so we find this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, right? So m equal to 6 plus 9 over 4 plus 8. So this is 15 over 12. Yeah, so this is going up. Yeah, correct. Okay, and then we have to find the gradient of uh, the purple one. So the purple one is perpendicular. Yeah, so this means perpendicular. So the gradient will be negative 12 over 15. Is it correct? Yeah, because this is going down negative. Okay, so and then we have to find the gradient of the purple one. So okay, we move to the purple one. So this is the purple one. Okay, this is x1, y1, x2, and y2, right? So we have to use formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Yeah, so this is k minus 6 over 14 minus 4, which is equal to negative 12 over 15. Yeah, so this is k minus 6 over 10 equal to, okay, we could simplify. So this is 4 over 5. Yeah. So negative 4 over 5. This is also we could simplify 1 and 2. Okay, and then we cross multiply. So k minus 6 equal to minus 8. Yeah, so k will be minus 8 plus 6, which is negative 2. Okay, so the answer for k is negative 2. Okay, do you have question for number 4?
So do we just have to take it as an equation and solve?
Yeah, so basically we find the gradient of the orange one, and then we make it to perpendicular. Okay, and then we have to multiple the gradient by -1. Yeah, or we could say negative reciprocal. Yeah, so we reverse the equation. So this is 15 over 12. So we put negative reciprocal. So this is negative reciprocal. So this is negative reciprocal. Okay. Yeah. Is there any question for Number 4?
No.
Okay. Now we will move to number 5. Okay, so we have 4 points. So A, B, C, and D. So we need to find D if AB is parallel to CD. Yeah, so parallel means the gradient. So this is MAB equal to MCD. Yeah. Okay, so we have to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and also y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, in this case, AB, so x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So 0 minus 4, so this is minus 4. Okay, I will put the equation first. So 0 minus 4, and then minus 1 minus 1 equal to, okay, I will delete again. So this is x1, y1, x2, and y2. So y2 will be minus 1 minus 3 over t minus 6. Yeah. Okay, we have to find the equation. So 0 minus 4 will be minus 4 over minus 2 equal minus 4 over t minus 6. Okay, this is we could cancel. This is 1 and 1. Okay, we cross multiply. So t minus 6. Okay, so this is t minus 6 equal to minus 2. Yeah, so t equal to 4. Yeah, so this is t equal to 4. Okay, and for B, so this is A. Okay, this is 5A. 5B, AC is parallel to DB. Yeah, so AC, okay, so we have to find the gradient of AC parallel to gradient of DB. Yeah, so okay, we find AC. So AC is this one, x1, y1, and x2, y2. Okay, that will be equal sign. So this is 3 minus 4, okay, over 6 minus 4, yeah, equal to, okay, dB. So this is D, this is B. Okay, so dB will be 0 plus 1, so 0 plus 1 over minus 1 minus t. Yeah, so 3 minus 4 will be minus 1 over 2 equal to 1 over minus 1 minus t. Okay, we have to do cross multiply. So negative 1 negative 1 minus t equal 2. Okay, so we have to multiply all the equation by negative. So this is 1 plus t. Yeah, so negative 1, we do FOIL the bracket. So 1 plus t, so equal 2. So t will be equal to 1. Okay, so this one for this case, so t will be equal to 1. Okay, and C, okay, so C will be AB is perpendicular to CD. Yeah, so AB, so this is A, B. Okay, AB perpendicular to CD. Okay, I think I will put number 5C. So AB is perpendicular to CD. Yeah. So this is negative 1 over MCD. Okay, so AB will be okay, AB will be, okay, we just use this equation, right? So this is negative 4, negative 2, so 2, right? So this is 2. Okay, and this is negative 1 over MCD. Okay, CD will be x1, y1, x2, y2. Yeah. Okay, so negative 1 over, sorry, this is negative 1 minus 3. So this is negative 1 minus 3 over x2 minus x1. So t minus 6. Yeah, so this is t minus 6. Okay, and then you could do cross multiplying. So this is 2 multiple by -1, -3 over t minus 6, and then we do close the bracket equal to -1. Okay, and then we move this to the denominator. So -1 -3 over t minus 6 equal to -1 over 2. Okay, we could do cross multiplying. So -1 minus 3, -4, -4 times 2, -8 equal to, this is -t plus 6. Yeah, -t plus 6. Okay, so we move t equal to 6 plus 8. Yeah, so t will be equal to 14. Okay, so for
So
C,
how do I cross multiply when there is a variable?
when you have variable, so this is -1 times, -1 minus 3 times 2. So this is -4 times 2 will be -8. But in this case, so okay, this is -8 equal -1, and then we do multiply by t minus 6, and then we do open the bracket. So -1 times t is minus t, -1 times -6 will be positive 6. So basically you just combine the equation, so we need to combine.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so that's the answer. Okay, and 5b, so this is, okay, you could try. Okay, so this is for D, you could try maybe for 5 minutes. Yeah, okay, so this is AD, so this is AD, this is AD, and then is perpendicular. Okay, so you could say MAD equal negative reciprocal of 1 over BC. Yeah, or you could also say MAD times MBC equal -1. So this one or this one also equal. Yeah, okay.
I need help with the last two steps. Where I have to cross multiply and solve. I think you're on mute.
Okay, so which equation you still 5D ya?
Yeah.
Okay, I will do here. So 5D. So 5D equal to MAD. So this is MAD equal to -1 over MBC. Yeah. So MAD is equal to -1 minus 4. So -1 minus 4 over x2 minus x1. T minus 1 yeah.
Yeah.
So this is T minus 1 equal to -1 over MBC. Oh, okay, we haven't found yet. So this is MBC will be, this is B, this is C. So 3 minus 0 and 6 plus 1. Yeah. So 3 minus 0 and 6 plus 1. Yeah. So 6 plus 1. Yeah, correct. Okay, and we have to do cross multiplying. So -5 times 3 minus 0, 3 over 7 equal to -1, T minus 1. We could cancel negative and negative, so will become positive. So this is 15 over 7 equal T minus 1. Okay, so this is over 1 again. We do cross multiplying. 15 equal 70 minus 7. So this is will be 70 equal to 15 plus 7 will be 22. Yeah. So T will be 22 over 7. So which one do you still confused with the equation?
I was stuck with the fraction part, and now I think I'm clear.
Okay, yeah. I don't know the answer will be the same or not, because this is the fraction, yeah. T equal 22 over 7. Okay, so
Yeah.
you could also see which is correct or not, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Do we have the same answer for T, 22 over 7?
Let me just check.
Yeah, okay. Because the answer are
$6D.1, right?
yeah, my answer is 22 over 7.
Yes, it's correct.
Yeah, okay. So okay, and then we will do number 6. Okay. So number 6, consider the point PQR Okay, so this is, we have PQR. Okay, I think we'll use.
And I think we might be wrong for 5B.
What is the answer for 5B?
It's 4. Did we get 4?
5B is 1. Okay, let's see. So MAC, so this is 3 minus 4, correct? And 6 minus 4, correct? Okay, we cross multiply. 1 plus t equal to MDB ya. MDB Y2 minus TB or DB ya. Minus. Okay, so I think this is incorrect with the equation.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. So this is DB. Okay, so this is D. This is B ya.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. DB is 0 plus 1 over minus 1 minus t. Yeah. So equal to 1 over minus 1 minus t. Oh, still the same, yeah. Sorry, db, db 0 plus AC, this one. The db is correct, yeah. X1, Y1.
Positive one, because it's dB, right? So dy1 is -1 minus 0, which is minus 1.
Minus 4. Oh, 6 minus 1, yeah. So 5, yeah. So this is, okay, let's see. T plus 1 equal 5, yeah. So t equal to 4, yeah. So this is okay. So this is y2, y1, yeah. Okay, so 3 minus 4 and 6 minus 1. I do 6 minus 4. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see the answer. Is it correct? Okay, from I think number 1, number 2, that's okay. So number 3, so I think the answer will be the parallel one. Is it correct? EF equal to BC.
Yeah.
And then perpendicular is FA equal to AD. FA and AD. Sorry, not equal, yeah. So this is A and.
So for 3B, it is BC and EF.
And
it's DE and FA.
Yeah.
Yep.
And FA and ED, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now number 6. Consider the point PQR. Okay. Show that the triangle PQR is isosceles. Okay, so we draw. So let's say we have a triangle. Okay, this is P, this is Q, this is R. Okay, so isosceles, it means we have one equal side. Yeah. So we should find one equal side, either MPQ or MQR. So this one will be.
Isosceles is 2 equal sides, right?
Yeah, isosceles is 2 equal sides. But this is the gradient are not equal. Yeah, this is will be negative reciprocal, yeah, of other. Okay, let's see. So we need to find MPQ. So the gradient of MPQ, and then we have to find the gradient of QR, and then we have to find the gradient of PR. Yeah. So sum of them will be negative reciprocal, yeah. Or yeah, I think this is but I don't see any negative reciprocal in triangle, because in the other case it should be equal, yeah. It's the length of the distance PQ is equal to QR, yeah. I don't understand if we have to do with isosceles. Oh, PM, yeah, perpendicular, yeah. PM and QR. Okay, let's try to find the gradient. I don't think the gradient, yeah. It should be the length, yeah. So not the gradient. So we have to find the length, yeah. Because I
Yeah.
couldn't, because if perpendicular will be like this, or yeah, I prefer to find the length, yeah, because it will be safer, yeah. Okay, so distance of PQ, okay, equal to okay, PQ is, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so the distance is 7 minus 5 square. So 7 minus 5 square plus 5 minus 1 square. Yeah, 5 minus 1 square. Okay, so this is will be 4 plus 16. Okay, so this is root 20. Okay, so in your previous homework, you have to simplify all the surds number. So basically, you have to use this way. So we draw 3 diagram, and then let's see, this is 2 square times 5. So this is 2 square times 5, or 2 root 5. Yeah. Or you could also find the multiplication of 4 times 5. Yeah. So this is 2 root 5. Yeah. So basically you have 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. So we have to find the multiplication of each square number. Yeah. So let's try to do square root of 50. So square root of 50 is equal to square root 25 times 2. So this is 5 root 2. And then let's say we have to find the square root of 32 is square root of 16 times 2. So this is 4 root 2. Okay, and then what else? We have also 6 square, let's say 36. Okay, so let's say we have root of 72. So 72 is 36 times 2. So this is 6 root 2. And then what else? Let's say we have root of 98. So 98 is root of 49 times 2. So this is 7 root 2. Okay, is there any question for simplifying the surds?
No.
Yeah, so basically either you have to find using the tree diagram one by one, or you could also memorizing the square number, and then you find the multiplication of square number with other number. Let's say also we have 64. So 64, maybe you have to find 128. Yeah, so this is 64 times 2, which is 8 root 2. Yeah, some kind of like this. So you have to remember the square number of each number. Yeah, so this is 9 square 81, 10 square 100. So root 200 equal to 100 times 2. So this is 10 root 2. But if you couldn't find using this way, so it's okay, but you have to find using the 3 factorial. So you have to find all the factors. So you have to list all the factor. So the equation could be simplified into searching. So into the rational search. Okay. Okay, and then this is PQ. Okay, we already find the PQ. Now we have to find the QR. Okay, so this is QR. Okay, so QR equal to this one. Okay, I will fill it first. QR So 1 minus 7 plus 3 minus 5. 1 minus 7 and 3 minus 5. 1 minus 7 and 3 minus 5. So this is will be 36 plus 4, yeah. So will be root of 40, yeah. Okay, 40 will be uh, 4 times 10, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is 2 root 10, yeah. Okay, so QR is 2 root 10, yeah. Or otherwise, you could also using this because it's really hard to find the number. So
But
okay, this
can
is
it be can it only be 210 or can it be others also?
only 210. So if you have to use 3 factor, so this is 2 to the power of 3 times 5. So basically, this is only 2 squared times 2 times 5. So 4 root 10. Oh, sorry, 2 root 10.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So you know
I
right
thought that
how to, huh?
I thought that if I do 40, it would be 8 times 5, and then 8 could
Oh,
be
yeah.
2.
So also, okay, so 8 times 5. So this is 8 is 2 to the power of 3 times 5. And then 2 squared
Oh,
2 times 5. So 4 or 2 root 2.
okay.
Yeah. So basically, we have to find the even power, yeah. And then the odd power, so remaining in the search, yeah. Because this is, we have to find the even power. So 2 is even power. Why? Because we could divide it by 2. And this is remaining in the search, yeah. The 1 power 1, yeah. So this is 2 root, oh not 2 root 2, 2 root 10, yeah. Okay, do you get the logic? Simple
Yeah.
search, yeah, okay. So this is PQ and QR. Okay, and we need to find PR, yeah. So PR, okay, let's see, PR, PR, okay. So this is X1, Y1, R is X2, Y2. Yeah, so this is will be 1 minus 5 and 3 minus 1. Yeah, so this is 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 plus 3 minus 1. So this is 16 plus 4. So this is root of 20. Yeah, root of 20 will be 4 times 5. Yeah, so this is will be 2 root 5. Okay, oh, so PQ and PR, yeah, which is equal. Yeah, so PQ and PR. So P, PQ and PR. Yeah, so PQ and PR. Yeah, so PQ equal PR. Yeah, so isocels, right? So the triangle isocels. Okay. Use or B, find the midpoint of M of QR. Okay, so we have to find the midpoint of QR. Okay. I think our lesson will be, I will switch the lesson. So do you prefer that I explain everything and then after that, let's say 70 minutes. So I'll explain everything, the question for 70 or 80 minutes. And then after that, you review by yourself, yeah. And then if you have some question, we could do via WhatsApp, yeah. So basically I explain first and then let's say we run out of time, maybe only 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, so we finish and then you have question after lesson, you could WhatsApp me, yeah. Yeah, so basically, because in your school, the teacher didn't explain everything, right? I mean, from the beginning. Is it correct or not? Because I want to, let's say, because tutorial should be in the school, you have learned, so the teacher explained, and then now in the tutorial you do by yourself. But now they change the syllabus, I mean they change the method, right? So the teacher only give you the paper and you have to do by yourself. Yeah, is it correct or not in this term?
The teacher does go through it, so he solves with us, but he goes very fast. So
Oh, okay. Yeah, so basically because I want to change the method, so is it okay for you? Because for this case, so if I explain everything, so you have to exercise again after our tutorial. So basically, I give you this, and then okay, you could do by yourself again after the tutorial, and then see the answer. And if we have the different answer, okay, so we could where is it? We could you could say in WhatsApp. So you prefer like that or like the previous before? So you do by yourself and I see the working. I mean, it's up to you because this is like this is just for because the school has started, so we have to follow your I mean your method. So what method do you want for the next meeting? So do you want me to, let's say, explain and then one by one question, or you do by yourself? So that's the option for you. So which option do you prefer the best for this term?
uh
So if
I'm
like
not
you
sure.
prefer like this, so I explain one question, or you want to try one question, or yeah. So what do you think of this method for you?
I would say that we could, for example, we could divide the class, so it's like an hour and a half. So
Uh,
maybe we could say for the first 30 minutes we do like the
explain.
actual concept and explaining, and
Uh,
after that try for 20 minutes. And if I have questions, we can go through. And
okay.
after that, the remaining class we can go through another topic. So we
Oh,
could.
okay. So like this, yeah. So I explain one by one question, and then if the question are equal, so you could do by yourself, yeah. And then after
Yeah,
that, if
just
you
like
have,
you did before, you would demonstrate two questions. First, you would go through the examples that are there in the textbook, and then you would
oh,
do
okay,
a
yeah.
demonstration, and then I do it myself.
Okay, yeah, confirm because this is for your this semester, right? This semester is really hard for extended math because I see they just really very fast, and then you have to learn one week, let's say parallel, perpendicular, and then distance, and then they just go through very fast, and then you don't have any. This is not in the grade 8, right? I thought this is in grade 8. No, yeah. So the parallel perpendicular you
So
have learned.
we did do parallel and perpendicular, but we did it like for like 4 or 5 classes or 6 classes. But this is just
Oh,
one class, so you just finish.
oh,
I
yeah.
can show you what we did last class. So
Oh,
here, so this is how he went through, just like what you do. He gave
uh,
us a document. I'll show you.
oh, okay, yeah. Mhm.
Can you
Yeah.
enable my screen sharing?
Oh, I don't know this one. I think I'm using the computer. I don't know. I couldn't share screen because this is, I don't know, the option for screen sharing is
So
disabled.
you could go down to the screen share where it says the method, screen share.
Yeah, I know, but this is with, I don't have the screen share in. So this, uh, okay, if I stop share, so the share screen, oh yeah, multiple, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you could share screen.
All right. Just,
Oh,
so this
okay.
is what he gave us a day before,
Oh,
and then
okay.
he told us to So he worked with us, like, so he told us that he will give all this a thing a day
Uh,
before our class, so we could either print out or
uh,
note down
uh,
questions,
oh,
or we could just have it on our iPad and do it. So I'm writing down, and then
uh,
after that, he works with us like this. So he just shares the document just there.
okay. So only sharing the answer,
I
yeah,
do.
not
That's it with
okay.
us.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so this is only I know, yeah. So this is sharing the answer only, yeah. So he
Yeah.
didn't they don't explain one by one method, yeah.
Yeah, they don't. It's
Oh,
just
okay.
goes through it with us. So we solve with him and it's done.
Okay, yeah, so I think that's not good. Yeah, so maybe for me, so I have to explain from the beginning. Yeah, so that's okay. Yeah, so I'll do one by one. So maybe it will be really slow, but that's okay. Yeah, because the topic for extended math is really deep, so I have to explain one by one. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, okay, so this is PR. Okay, 2 root 5. Okay, so this is equal. So PQ and PR are equal. Okay, and then we have to verify or find the midpoint of QR. Okay, so this is QR. So this is Q and this is R. Okay, we need to find the midpoint. Okay, the midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Yeah, so the midpoint will be 5 plus 3, 8 over 2. So this is 4. And 7 plus 1, 8 over 2. So 4. Yeah. So the midpoint is 4, 4. Okay. And then we have to verify that PM is perpendicular to QR. Okay. So to verify the line are perpendicular, so we have to do M1 times M2 equal minus 1. Yeah. So M1 times M2 equal to minus 1. Okay, we need to find the gradient of PM. So the gradient of PM is PM, P, so this is P, okay, P x1, y1, x2, y2. So 4 minus 5 over 4 minus 1. Okay, so 4 minus 5 over 4 minus 1. Okay, so this is the gradient of PM will be equal to minus 1 over 3. Okay, so the gradient of QR should be equal 3. Okay, is it correct or not? So QR, okay, I will delete. Yeah, so QR is equal to, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Yeah, 1 minus 7 over 3 minus 5. 1 minus 7 over 3 minus 5 minus 6 minus 2. Yeah, correct, 3. So MPM times MQR is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 over 3 times 3 is equal minus 1. So minus 1 equal to minus 1. Yeah, so proven. Yeah. Okay, so in the mathematics, if you want to prove the equation, you have to say proven. Yeah, because this is to show that the equation are proven. Yeah, so you have to write in the bracket, say proven. Yeah, so this is proven. Okay. D, draw a sketch to illustrate that what you have found. Yeah. Okay, so we draw again. Okay, so we draw this, this, this way. QPR. Okay, so this is we have QPR and then PM. So M is in the midpoint of QR. Yeah. So this is we have M. Okay, so this is equal, and then MPM, MPM and MQR. So this way. So this is okay MPM. Okay, sorry, this is M. So this is perpendicular, yeah. Okay, so this is for D. Okay, is there any question for D?
No.
Okay, now we will move to, okay, which number we still have? Uh, oh, 6. Okay, number 7. Okay, maybe this is you could try to do it. So this is show that mn is parallel to AC. Yeah. So the gradient of mn is equal to gradient of AC. Yeah. So mn is equal to AC. Okay. Show that mn is half length of AC. Okay. So you have to find the distance between mn, and then is equal to okay, find the distance of mn and find the distance of AC, and then mn should be uh, mn should be equal to half AC. Yeah. Okay, maybe for 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Is there any question? No. Yeah. I think it's easy. Yeah. So you have to find the midpoint first of AB and midpoint of BC. So you could say MN is parallel to AC. Yeah, basically we find M the midpoint of AB and N is a midpoint of BC. And then you get the point of M and N, and then you could find the gradient. Yeah, okay.
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, so everything is verified, yeah. So MN is parallel to AC, and then MN is half length of AC.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We still have one more question, maybe 5 more minutes, yeah, because the question is number 10. Okay, so this is number 10. So we have to do number 10. Okay, so this is in your syllabus. Okay, so we have this is semicircle. Wow. Okay, so this is S and 8 lies on a semicircle. Find S. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, so the behavior of the circle is we have radius. So this is the radius. Yeah, this is 10. This is also 10. Yeah. So this is also radius. Yeah. So this is also radius. So the radius should be 10.
Yeah.
Okay. However, we have to find the S. Yeah. Okay, so we draw a circle. Oh, not the triangle. Okay, so this is 8. So this is 8. This is S. Yeah. And we have to use the Pythagoras theorem that we have learned before. So the Pythagoras theorem is S squared plus 8 squared equal to 10 squared. Yeah. Or in this case, this is triple Pythagoras, right? So I think I have told you about triple Pythagoras. So this is 6, 8, 10. Yeah. So basically S equal to 6. Okay, let's see. So S squared plus 64 equal 100. S squared equal 36. So S will be 6. Yeah. Yeah. So the answer is 6. Okay. So this is 6, 8. Okay. Do you have any question?
No.
Yeah. Okay. And we have to find the gradient of PS. Yeah. So the PS is start from here to here. Okay, so the gradient of PS is equal to Okay, so this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Yeah, so 8 minus 0 over 6 plus 10. So 8 over 16. So this is 1 over 2. Yeah, so this is going up. Okay, so the gradient is 1 over 2. Okay, and the double I, we have to find the gradient of SQ. I think SQ is, do we have gradient? I think this is straight line, yeah. Let's see. Okay, M
It's from here to
SQ.
there.
Yeah,
Over
yeah,
there. Oh.
SQ. So basically, this is y2 minus y1. So 8 minus
Zero.
0. Oh, no, not from from. Sorry, this is like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Slanting.
Okay, I didn't see. Okay, this is ascending. So this is will be uh either 8 minus 0 or 0 minus 8. It doesn't matter. So I will use 8 minus 0 over 6 minus 10. So this is 8 over minus 4. Yeah. So this is negative 2. Okay, and we have to show that angle PSQ is a right angle. So PSQ, so this is right angle. So what is a right angle? So it should be perpendicular. Yeah. So the gradient of PS should be perpendicular to SQ. Okay. So basically this is MPS, this is MSQ. Okay, for C, so MPS multiple by MSQ is should be equal to minus 1. Yeah, and then this is 1 over 2 times minus 2 should be equal minus 1. Okay, so this is minus 1 equal to minus 1 proven. And then you have to write the sentence. So hence the gradient of PS is perpendicular to SQ, then uh, angle, oh sorry, then angle PSQ is a right angle. Okay, because you're in the extended math, so you have also to write the sentence. Yeah, let's say, oh, you have to show. Okay, so you have to write your assumption. So it's really important in the mathematics, because mathematics is not like you have to calculate. You also have to show your sentence. Yeah, let's say if you want to show, okay, so what is the sentence you have to write? So this is also correct, proven, but you also have to write your assumption, because the gradient of PS is perpendicular to SQ, then PSQ is a right angle. Yeah. Okay. So in extended math, you also have to show your word, yeah, or your sentence, yeah, because it's also important in the later grade. In the higher level math, you have to prove. So there's so many proving equation. So basically, you also have to write a sentence according to the questions. Yeah. Okay. Before we end, do you have question? I think yeah, it's already the time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So do you have question before we end?
No.
Okay. So I will send to you this. Okay, so this is parallel and perpendicular line. Okay, and then I will also give you the PDF. Okay, I think I will use email. Okay, please wait. Uh, okay, so this is parallel. Oh yeah, if you have a question, let's say in the middle of school, So you could WhatsApp me, yeah. So I will reply as soon as possible, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, because the topic for higher level extended math are a lot. So if it's too fast, you could also send to WhatsApp, to email, or to anything. Yeah. So I will reply as soon as possible. Okay. So please wait. This is okay. So this is as attached. Okay. Could you see the email? So I just send you the working for this. Is it sent to you?
Just a minute.
Yeah, let's see the email.
Mm. Yes.
Okay, yeah. So we will have lesson again on Wednesday or Wednesday, yeah. So Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
You prefer at Wednesday is holiday, yeah? Oh, is it
No,
holiday?
it's only Monday and Thursday this week. I mean, that next week.
Monday and Thursday. Oh, okay. So okay, you prefer you do on Wednesday or we move to Thursday morning, yeah? Because I heard that some of students are really headache for doing online school from morning to afternoon, and then they have to do online tutoring. Do you prefer we move to Thursday? So maybe we could, let's say, do a lot of things to do. I mean, if it's in Wednesday, you're really tired, right?
Yeah.
Is it okay, or you want to do something on Thursday? So it's okay. We could do on Wednesday.
I don't think I have anything in the morning on Thursday, so we can.
Yeah, right. Because for me, I need focus, right, in the extended math. So we need really focus because the topics are really difficult. So if it's, let's say, in the afternoon, it's really let's say tired, right? Because the
Yeah.
school start at 7, and then you also have to continue until 3. Okay, and then you have to rest, right? In the
Yeah.
between of, yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, so only next week. So we do on Thursday and Saturday. Okay. Yeah. See you on Thursday morning at 11. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yeah.
Bye.